here is interesting new app called New York Times Audio. So let's just install it. It's climbing in the charts. From world events to what to cook your next listen awaits. So this is like an audio first, audio journalism and audio storytelling app. It's currently the exclusive benefit for New York Times new subscribers. So to get access to this, you need to subscribe. So you need to subscribe to all access, and that's news, games, cooking, Wirecutter, The Athletic, plus more. And then you need to subscribe, $6.99 per month. I don't know if this is a monthly subscription or yearly. And then this 12 months offer. So seems you need to upgrade actually here to subscribe for 12 months. So there you have it. There is no free trial anything, but then if you have an account, you can already log in here. So that's that.